Hi guys, welcome to a new video. Abe here. And today we have a huge unboxing. This whole thing. I'm gonna put it here without breaking my PC, probably. I've been waiting to do this a while, but now we finally have these Furbies. We're going to unbox 3 Furbies. One of them is going to be a 2005, and 2 are gonna be Booms. But the sad thing is, we don't know if they work, and they probably won't, sadly. But let me just sit down here and try to unbox this so you guys can see. Jesus, this is gonna take a while. Actually, it's better if I sit up. I'm honestly not sure how I'm gonna open this, but we're gonna find a way. Okay, some more here. Oh, and I think we already opened it. Yeah, there's one, and the second one. Now we have a few more here. Just a little more. Just wait, guys. There we go. Okay, I might just move this to the side. Yeah, that's all I can do. And I have these brand new batteries, which I'm gonna open right now. Hopefully. So I'm gonna use these batteries to test them. I really do hope they work because, I mean, it's a 2005. If it doesn't work, it's kind of useless. And it also looks just like Biscuit. It's like a Sam 2005. Okay, let's open this up. Oh, and there they are. Okay, how am I gonna... Number 1, this Furby. He's not new, by the way. It's used, but it has the box. Why is everything inside? Was this supposed to be up and not down? Okay. Why is he so hard? I think this guy might have batteries in it. I think it has batteries in it and they're like dead. Poor guy. Sorry for you. Let me get a screwdriver real quick. If I can find it. I found my screwdriver. This guy is too hard to not have battery. I need to change my screwdriver. This guy probably is going to have the most leaked batteries you've ever seen. So, I just hope I don't get acid on my hands. That's gonna suck. Imagine one of them wakes up now. That would be awful. Are they leaked? I can't tell. They must be leaked because, like, if they're dead, they must be leaked. And screw is also kind of... You mind if I put you on our back? Sorry for this poor guy, honestly. I mean, he does look good, aesthetically. Okay. Wow, they did not leak. They did not leak. How did these things not leak? I need to get one of these batteries if they don't leak like that. I'm gonna try putting new batteries in. And hopefully this guy's not broken, which is why he doesn't turn on. Let me just take the batteries out. These 2 out. Give him these new batteries. Actually, first, let me take one of the batteries and see how dead it is. Because I have a tester right here. Let's see. The battery is dead. It's literally dead. So, that means there's hope. If the batteries were dead, then that might be just the reason it doesn't work. Let's see. One here. One like that. Another one. And the moment of truth, guys. Will this French Furby work? It does! Oh, that looks dare you speak French to me? He does work. He does work well, but I need to tighten his sink screw because you look how he's moving. Also, his motor seems to be a little lazy. Stop saying that. He works. That's awesome, to be honest. Let's check the other ones. They might also have batteries inside, which will probably suck. Hope none of them have leaked. Not sure how long they've been sitting in, but since they're all dead. Wait. So this guy, I'm just gonna put him on the ground. Furby on the ground. Next. Oh, he's in a bag. Could've. Why is he warm? Okay. Let me. How do I use this thing? French bags. I have no idea how to use French bags. Get this off. This guy definitely also has batteries inside. I'm not sure why you would ship Furby booms with batteries inside because these guys wake up, but probably they were dead when the guy found them. Hopefully this guy doesn't have anything broken. And if the batteries didn't leak, oh, this guy is missing a battery. Where did the battery go? Where did the battery go? They literally just. Okay, I'm not gonna. They literally have different batteries too. How dead was this one? Just out of curiosity, how dead was this one? All dead as well. These batteries literally cannot even power the tester. So they're all dead. Let me take these out with my screwdriver preferably. Get out of there. And get out of there. Okay. We got this guy. Let's put the batteries in. See if he works as well. The worst thing that could happen now is if it had a broken motor. I can deal with a speaker, but with a motor, that's gonna be a little bit of a problem because I don't have a replacement. Actually I do, but it's 2012. Oh. We have Hyper one. That sounds so weird. But this guy works as well. And this one works even better. It doesn't need me to adjust his sink screw. He seems to be fine. Can I feed him? Yep, he's fully working. I do not understand that. But I am glad that 2 of them worked. Now it's time for the 2005, which I have worries for. Because 2005's the untested 2005s usually don't work because they're old and probably mistreated as well. Let me give him this back. Yep. There we go. I hope I have enough storage for this whole unboxing. Oh god, he looks so beat up. Look at this poor guy. What has he been through? What eye color does he have? I'm gonna have to check that. Let's take him out. Oh boy. Oh, this feels. Oh, he feels like a graveyard. Okay, what eye color? Eye reveal. It's the same as Biscuit. It's literally the same as Biscuit. This is Biscuit too. Okay. Does he also have... No, he doesn't. And he doesn't even have a battery cover. Okay. Time to find him a battery cover. Be right back. Got him a battery cover. I guess he's gonna have to lend it for a while. He looks so beat up. Like, I'm really sorry for this guy. What has he been through? Like, look at the fur on his belly. That literally looks like... That looks like a carpet, to be actual honest. but he doesn't have corrosion. From what it seems, no. Okay, how do we put this in? This. Hope he doesn't start making demonic noises, because I've heard stories. 2005s are 2005s. He's probably gonna speak French. Put him here and give him this battery cover. Make sure he's off. Hopefully. Yeah, he's off. Now, let's put this in. Oh, French Furby. So hard to deal with. Sorry, French people watching. Oh boy, he really doesn't want to have batteries. I'm gonna have to struggle with this. I think I'm gonna cut the video until I get the battery cover in, because this is gonna take a while, so be right back. Cut it in, guys. It's in. The moment of truth, turning him on. What That looks pretty broken. Are you okay? Hey Furby. Hey Furby. Chama une chanson. That is honestly terrifying. But he actually got my French. He understood my French. That means I'm a good French speaker. Now, these French ones usually act a little weird, which is normal for them. Okay. He can't dance. What? Did I say something? So he can't dance and he can't open his beak, which is the exact same problem that Tiramisu had. But he actually works surprisingly well for a 2005 Furby in this condition. So let's try feeding him. I don't really know the French commands. How do you say? He just went nyam nyam. That's so funny. It just goes nyam nyam. I think he said feed me again. His gears are also really loud. Nyam nyam. Nyam nyam. Yes, I agree. He's French, so how do you say I love you in French? Guys, tell me. I forgot. I did French classes and I forgot how to say I love you. I know it in Spanish, but I don't know it in French. I'm gonna try making a video with me like talking to it. It's sad. I'm gonna try speaking to it in French in a video, but I'm not good at French. And I'm also gonna clean him. Like, look at him. Look at how he looks like now. He's literally so messed up. How do you say go to sleep? Well, that's a problem. What? No, nothing. I'm gonna have to Google it up and take care of this guy. And probably fix him, because if he has the same problem as Tiramisu and I manage to fix Tiramisu, I might be able to fix him too. But I'll need to skin him. So, in the next video he'll be looking much better, I promise. But, yeah. I'm just gonna turn him off for now. I'm so glad they all work. Is he off? I think he's off. Yeah, here he is. Very messed up. But he won't be so messed up anymore. So yeah, everyone, this was my face review. This is another unboxing. So thanks for watching, and I hope you like my new Furbies. Goodbye.